Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to fix the Anaconda is not starting in Mac terminal Z shell. Okay, so we are getting this kind of error when we are launching the terminal from the Anaconda, or let's say run a new terminal here, new window, and if we type Conda info here, we see that the command is not found, right? So we are going to fix both of the problems, and let me show you that. Open a terminal, and again we are having the same problem, right? So to fix this, we are going to do one thing, that is change the G shell to the bash. Okay, so for that, go to the settings, close this terminal from here, go to the user and groups. Now you have to unlock it. Okay, just enter your user password now, unlock. Now right click on your username, go to the advanced options, and here you have to change the login shell. Okay, you have to give it bin bash. Okay, and click on OK. Now lock it to make the changes. Now let's execute the terminal, and here you see base in front. It means that we have the bash shell with Anaconda environment. Let's type the command anaconda info, and here you see that Conda is running. Close it, and now let me show you by running in the Anaconda navigator also. Open terminal, and here you have the terminal running from the Anaconda navigator also. And this is a permanent solution whether you restart or do anything. Okay, now one more thing, during Anaconda uninstall in Mac, don't remove the bash profile. Okay, it is located in the BoostUpStation, that is your home directory. Press command shift and dot to show the hidden files, clean up by name, and here it is the file bash profile. Okay, you don't have to delete this file during Anaconda uninstall. Alright,
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.